Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today we have a 2020 Dodge Charger XST. I have an issue with the door sensor. I tried to find where the door sensor I couldn't find because my door shows open always. So I tried to figure it out. I check a lot of video on YouTube. I search Google. I couldn't find any right answer straight can go tell me where's door sensor. So I'm gonna explain in this video. I have an issue in other video we will fixing that issue, but in this video I'm just gonna show where the door sensor location. Actually any door if you open there's no sensor, there's like a manual switch, or you can say there's a latch. Like I have an issue with this door, this latch. Behind this latch there's another little switch. Anytime you open or close door, the switch open and close and tells your system door is open. So basically each door, no matter which door is it, each door have a switch with the latch. So what basically you have to do if something happen, your door sensor not working, you have to give some lubrication or you have to replace this whole latch. It comes with the little wire, and that will fix your problem. That's all for today. Hope you have a answer where to find this door sensor on Dodge Charger 2020 XST.